Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this electrostimulation medical device class 2A from Terraillon Boost and Care for neck, shoulder, back, leg, arm and joint. Multifunctional 3 well-being modes: TENS to relieve pain, EMS to stimulate muscles, massage to relax muscles. 2 independent control channels, 14 programs, 25 intensity levels with 4 adhesive electrodes. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out how we can use this electrostimulation device. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And this is the device. I like it. It is small, portable, it fits to my hand, large buttons with the LCD display, 4 adhesive pads, two 3A batteries, the cables for the 2 independent control channels. It is about 1 meter, very convenient, each cable. And we have in this lovely bag. You can have all this inside the bag. And because it works with batteries, it is portable. You can have it and use it anywhere, at any time. Use it and relax yourself. Choose the correct program for TENS or EMS, massage yourself, whatever you want. Let's remove this cover, install the batteries, 2 3A batteries, on, we can hear the sound. Oh, I like the display. Let's check on the buttons. We have the intensity increase and decrease button, the channel select, program select, treatment mode select and treatment part select. And of course the on-off button, press and hold, it will turn off. Press once, it will turn on. And of course we have in these 2 independent control channels here. We need to connect the cables. And then after applying at myself, we need to connect these cables to the 4 adhesive electrodes. So let's test it at my arm. Now I will connect this adhesive here for elbow pain. Well, it is very easy to do that. Have this here, another one here. They are very sticky. I like that. Okay, now let's see one by one the cable, 1 channel. This is the second channel here, very easy to install. And the first channel goes here. Now, let's program. Treatment mode, it is TENS, EMS or MAS. I will choose TENS. We have the neck, the low back, arm, shoulder, leg and joint. With a mode you can choose EMS or MAS. For now TENS, and of course you can use the second channel or the first channel. I will choose the first channel. We can choose the program. For the TENS it is the P1, P2 and P3, and choose arm. And then with the intensity increasing, decreasing, for 30 minutes it is the treatment, increasing. And now I'm feeling at the first channel here, increasing again. Oh! Oh, you can see how it's moving here. 4, 5, oh, wow. Let's decrease, I like that. or you can just go on a different treatment mode. But first you need to cancel this with a down arrow, cancel this mode. With a mode goes to the EMS, and again you can choose ARM, choose the program, let's say the P3, and then increasing. 42 minutes. Increasing. Oh yes, now I can feel it. 4. Wow, I like it. 5. Wow, we can see how it's moving. 6. Oh my god, no. I think in 4 it is okay. And again, by just pressing the decreasing 1, again, cancel the program. Now let's go at the mass, selecting the mode, mass we can see here, and we can see the tapping is flashing. You can choose relaxation or rubbing. Well, let's choose relaxation. Program, it is only one program. Channel, let's choose the second channel right now. Increasing, 30 minutes. And now I'm using these two. Oh, yes, I can feel it. Whoa, wow. Oh, you can see how it's moving. And decreasing. Maximum, it depends the program, it goes 25 intensity levels. I think for me 5 to 6 is the maximum. And of course we can use it for other parts of our body. You can use it on your neck, cervical pain, shoulder pain, carpal tunnel, hand pain, lower back, lumbar pain, elbow pain, upper arm pain, knee joint pain, calf pain, ankle, foot pain. And of course you can ask your doctor if that kind of treatment with this electrostimulation medical device it is suitable for you. And we can see in the lock icon here. Cancelling, just press this button and cancel the program. And of course it is very easy to remove all that and apply here, removing the cable. And let's install it on my leg for calf pain. Mode, let's go EMS, and then let's go at the leg. Choose the program you want, choose the second or the first electrode, and start the program by pressing this button, the upper. We can see now it says 42 minutes. We can see at my right leg how it's moving. It is on 8 the stimulation. Wow, it feels nice, I like it. Or you can go at the second channel on my left leg and adjust the settings, the stimulation. On my right leg is keep walking. Now both are in the same density and you can see on my left leg how it's moving. Well, my viewers, that was all about this Terraillon Electrostimulation medical device for TENS, EMS, massage to relax your muscles. After a hard day on your work, after your exercise at the gym, whenever and wherever you want, you can use it because it is portable, it is small, it fits to my hand, and you can have it with you anytime and anywhere you can use it. And it only costs 30 euros, the price is very good. Value of money. Until my next video, hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.